Just have a look at that beautiful sunrise. Oh yeah. More.
Marah.
Okay guys, so what we are doing this week and the weeks to come would be restoring an old house. No, this is not it. That is it. So what we're gonna have to do is, well, pretty much everything. We are going to have to rethatch this entire roof. Well, not entire roof, my bad. We're going to have to rethatch this top knock of the roof so it can be waterproof. We have to repaint the roof as well. We're going to have to build some cupboards in here as well. Right here. These ones coming up here in the end. Just found this mighty old hat. Let's see what it looks like. What's up, partner? Nope. We're also gonna have to close up this door, as in completely build it up so it cannot open again. Lights, plumbing, we're gonna have to fix that right there. We're gonna have to put Cornish up on the sides. So we have a lot of work cut out for us to fix this entire house nice and neat. And say hi to my dad. There we go. How long do you think it'll take, Dad?
I don't know, probably another 2 weeks with me and you.
Cool. So, we are busy with herding cattle. We need them to go, well, we need to dip them for ticks and other things. But I'm running through the bush to try and stop them from running into the bush, of course. Dup, dup. Dup. Come, come. Ain't that just beautiful? And I love the farm. Just love it. Dup, dup. Just have a look at this beauty. Now it's sights like these that just make you fall in love with the bush. Hey, hey! Hier aan gaan niet meer. Up! That one's done. Hey, hey! Go up! Go up, alright. Dup, dup! Almost lost the ball there. Dup, dup! En is jij oude. Alright. Hey. Kom. Dup, dup. Dad. What's the time? Got that. Bureau clock.